Good day, YouTube company. I would like to file my appeal. My YouTube channel was already suspended now because of, according YouTube, I have a related channel. Yes, I have a old channel before, but I cannot enter the channel because the number of the channel I'm using is already installed. That's why I don't know how to entering that channel, because I don't know also the Gmail is lost also. That's why I'm creating another channel. So I hope you understand, YouTube. I would like to file my appealing. I'm sorry, this is my late answering because I don't know what I'm doing, how to do my appeal. That's why I'm just already talking other people to uh, people give to advice for me how to do to appeal. Thank you so much. I hope you understand, and I'm sorry because I'm techie. I don't know, there are so many things I don't know how to do because I'm only I did not study in higher higher school. Thank you so much and good day.